Okay, y'all. 2016 Blizzard, Washington, D.C. Let's take a road test. See what these roads are looking like today. I think I can go over there if I try, but I think I'm gonna leave that for another day. Let's go elsewhere. All right, it looks like these boys are still out here. They clear the roads. The roads are clear if you like driving on ice, that is. Or if you're in an SUV like myself, either way. But I gotta give it to them though, they did a good job. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I think 36 hours is what they say. It shows they've been working. Okay, let's see if I can get through here. I got through there pretty easily. Not too bad. Okay. Like I said, it looks like the roads are clear. Just take it easy if you're driving on ice. That's my advice for y'all today. Try not to be in the middle of the road like this gentleman right here, but that's okay. We're gonna go around him. All right. Looks like the roads are clear. I don't think you have to be in the SUV. Just have a four-wheel vehicle. That's all. So when you're on ice, you're sturdy. Okay. Look like a lot of people gonna have a lot of work to do before they can get out. If y'all saying what I'm saying right now anyway. Okay, I'm not gonna hit them. I see him. Just got a lot of work to do, people. You got to get up early to do your job, man. DC 2016 Blizzard. We out here, y'all. Get at me.